Okay guys, more action on the Galesburg, Illinois Amtrak station here. We got another Amtrak train that's come in. This one here says C-Track Think Train Operation Lifesaver Locomotive. P42 DC, made by General Electric. A lot of these engines were made in 2001. I know the last ones that I videoed said 2001. These could be anywhere between that year or maybe newer. Yep. So we got another Amtrak train here at Galesburg, Illinois. Amtrak station. Right here. A freight train just went by. Ready to pull out right now. Galesburg, Illinois Amtrak. There you go. Is on its way to California, I believe. California. We got another BNSF freight Amtrak train. On its way to California. I rode that train. I rode it to California when I moved out there. Very nice ride. Every time I think I'm getting ready to leave and go home, another train comes. That's how it here. That's how it is here in Galesburg. It's a busy terminal. There's lots of trains. Yeah, lots of trains here in Galesburg. It's a very, very busy terminal. Another mixed manifest train. This was a pretty long one here. Wow. This might just be a switching train though. I think they might just be working it. Yeah, cause look, there's some air holes disconnected. They only got the air holes connected. So they're just switching, they're not mainline. Yep, no handbrakes tied there, no air brakes tied there either. Look at that. Yeah, they're just switching. Oh. That's the first time I saw them run it like that. Wow. they don't go too far without brakes being tied like that. Wow. Alright, they get ready to stop. Yeah, see, they don't got the brakes tied on that one either. I guess when they're switching, they don't have to tie all the brakes. That's weird, I didn't know that. This train is being stopped by locomotive power only. Locomotive brakes. Wow. Okay guys, I'm not going to sit here and watch their whole switching operation. Hope you enjoy watching EJ's Trains on YouTube. Continue to follow me and subscribe, hit the notification bell. I hope you all have a great day.